Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this Honor. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access notifications. After that, tap on Manage All and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to switch them off, like Booking.com. In order to switch them back on, click on the same Now Gray switcher. You can also go back, click on one of your apps over here, and then manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!